So what's up YouTube? It's your boy FX. Today's episode is going to be very fun. It's our first live stream. So we have Tando. I think it's going to the zone you marked second. Yeah, definitely. I think gold is definitely going to the zone. That's why I always advise you to now manage your risk well, to not go in on the setup. So we saw this coming and we're not even a stop loss yet, but we saw this coming and we just wait for that. When that zone comes, we look for entries. And then we have someone say, besides the fib, what else are your entry signals? My entry signals, number one, what I want to see is that market structure shift. So if you're in a retracement, I wait to actually see the market go down. Then when we're now down in that zone, in our fib zone, we now wait for the market structure shift on the lower time frames, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. That's perfect for us. And then afterwards, I do the fib again on that smaller time frame, market structure shift. And then we just trade, we just go. So I have someone saying that, what is the one most important thing that you haven't told anyone about trading gold? I think I've told you guys all the secrets about trading gold. I don't really think there's something that I'm withholding. Where do we get the blueprint? So the blueprint is in the Telegram group. If you scroll, if you go to the documents, you'll find it there. I think I'll just have to resend it again. Discord is nice. Yeah. Discord, definitely. Discord is coming. I wanted to share my screen like in the previous one where I also had my trades that I'm holding. This was a $100 account. Right now it's floating at like $1,000. Hoping that you guys could have it. And we also have another $14,000 account floating around 2-3K profits. What's up YouTube? It's your boy FX. Yeah, of course, every single day. That's how you do. Your favorite PDRA? It would have to be a fair value gap. That would be my favorite PDRA. Bro, can you add the fib in the blueprint document? I'm actually thinking of having a second blueprint. I wrote that book like 2 years ago, and since then a lot has changed in my trading. A lot has changed. The way I see the market has changed. I've learned a lot more stuff now. So I'm thinking of having a trading blueprint part 2. Yeah. How can I be profitable forex trader? Been using friend account but been blowing my accounts. I think the first thing that I'll tell you to do is go back to demo. Try to be profitable in a demo account. That's the first thing, because if you can't be profitable in a demo account, what's going to guarantee you being profitable in a live account? Guys, I've been so logged in that I don't even have time to get a haircut. I've been so logged in. You guys have been seeing that I've been home the whole time. That's crazy. And the only time I get to go out is maybe if I want food, because I don't even have time to cook. In South Africa, we can't get Telegram. We must pay, so we can't use the blueprint any other way we can see it. Make sure that you log in for the next session, which is tomorrow. I'll have answers to all that. Why the FVG? I've just seen the FVG being respected a lot, and I also think it's one of the things that really helped me when I began trading. I think the Fibonacci was like my favorite too, to actually like use. Our stop is supposed to be below the slow. But still, we're out of this trade. We might come back, but you know, we're out of that trade over there. Let me actually look at how the lower time frame structure looks like. Yeah, it could come back, but is it really something we're still very excited about? No, not really. The FVG. I used to learn from ICT, so I used to emphasize on the FVG, and in our market structure shift I used to see it every day, and it used to be respected a lot. When I'm looking for my entries, I just look for an FVG. If I see an FVG my zone, then I'll be very happy. So yeah, that's what's up with the FVG. Part 2 please. Yeah, definitely the blueprint part 2 is definitely coming. This one's gonna be crazier though, but at the same time I'm trying to make sure that everyone on YouTube, we are all moving at the same pace. Because I wouldn't want a situation where I now have a blueprint, the second blueprint, and people aren't really understanding what exactly I'm doing. Can you manage my account? Help me to gain money from my account, please. Guys, we tried copy trading. Copy trading only worked on big accounts, $100 and all that. On small accounts, gold will ban you, I'll lie to you. So what's up, guys? So what's up everyone? So as I always advise you guys, sometimes today after I did the live stream, that's when I actually realized that maybe I've been a bit too logged in, because I've been on the chats 24/7. I've been, in the community, And I'm working hard, man. It's because I know that at the end of the road, there are bigger rewards there. So it won't be so painful for me to actually spend time with you guys, do live streams, spend my whole day doing live streams. But I also realize that it might be making me feel a bit burnt out, of course. So right now I'm just taking my time to go even just have lunch, you know. Just go take myself out somewhere, just have a calm lunch, because it's slow. It's very quick. You know, it's very quick. You could get burnt out very, very quick. So I'm trying to avoid that. And then right now we're still holding. We have the same buyers, guys. And word of the day again, guys, if you have a small account, if you have $50, stay away from gold. Look for something else to trade. You know, even for me, as much as I know how to trade, as much as I'm a trader, I can easily blow a $50 account because of the way the markets are moving. So stay away from the markets if you have low capital. Right now we're just on the way to lunch. Then I'll just give you guys another update once I get there. It's your boy XAUUSD signing out. So what's up, guys? I'm about to have lunch, and you know, this is a nice view. I'm just refreshing so you guys can see. Thanks. It's just a nice view, and I'm there. So yeah, I know that you guys are excited for these vlogs. So I was talking to people in the Telegram group, and there was one person who suggested that I haven't been accommodating the people with small accounts. So I think that's something that I'm going to be looking into this week. But at the same time, I feel like it's better we start with the bigger accounts, those who want to invest bigger amounts. I get rid of those first, and then now we can focus on small accounts, because there are more people. There's demand for more service for people who have smaller accounts like $50, $100. So yeah, it's something that I'm looking forward to, and I've had time to refresh, to relax, to actually reflect, and I know what I'm about to do. I know what I need to do, and I'll see you. I don't know if you're having any session today, but today we're live. Actually, we're live, so we did chat work in the live stream. So make sure that you log onto the live streams we have, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.